Home Remedies presents
Rosemary oil after 50. Use it every night for 7 days. Look what happens. Aging brings challenges: joint pain, memory fog, poor sleep, thinning hair, and circulation issues. Many people turn to creams, pills, and supplements, only to find temporary relief or unwanted side effects. But what if one natural remedy could address all of these issues, safely, affordably, and effectively? Rosemary essential oil, when used correctly, activates healing processes throughout the body. From strengthening veins to reviving dormant hair follicles, improving memory, and reducing inflammation, this oil has been used for centuries, and now science confirms its power. This guide walks you through the complete nightly method, showing how rosemary oil can transform your health in just 7 nights. Each benefit includes clear instructions and dosage so you can apply it safely and effectively. 1. Hemorrhoid relief and vein health. Rosemary oil strengthens vein walls and reduces inflammation. How to use. Mix 1 drop rosemary oil with 2 teaspoons of carrier oil, coconut, almond, or jojoba. Dampen a clean cotton cloth or gauze with the mixture. Gently pat externally for 30 to 60 seconds. Apply a clean, warm compress for another 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat before bedtime. For spider or varicose veins, apply the same mixture moving upward toward the heart. 2. Memory fog clearing. Rosemary oil enhances memory consolidation during sleep. How to use. Dilute to 0.25 to 0.5%, 1 drop rosemary oil in 2 teaspoons carrier oil. Dampen a cloth with the mixture and gently press or swipe on temples and behind ears for 1 to 2 minutes. For aroma, place a cloth with 1 drop near your pillow overnight. Avoid direct application if on blood thinners or with sensitive skin. Use cloth or gauze and stop if irritation occurs. 3. Hair and scalp awakening. Rosemary oil increases scalp blood flow and revives dormant follicles. How to use. Dilute to 0.5 to 1%, 1 to 2 drops rosemary oil in 2 teaspoons carrier oil. Apply with fingertips or wrap a thin cotton towel dampened with the mixture on thinning areas. Leave for 15 to 30 minutes or overnight if skin tolerates. Remove cloth after treatment. 4. Joint and muscle recovery. Rosemary oil reduces inflammation and improves flexibility. How to use. Mix 1 part rosemary oil to 2 parts carrier oil, olive oil recommended. Warm the mixture between your hands. Massage into painful joints, knuckles, knees, shoulders, for 3 minutes each. Apply before bed. 5. Sleep transformation. Rosemary oil lowers cortisol and promotes restful sleep. How to use. Dilute to 0.25 to 0.5%. Dampen a thin cloth with the mixture and place on upper chest for 10 to 15 minutes with slow breathing. Remove cloth before lights out. For feet, wipe soles with a clean dampened cloth for 20 to 30 seconds. For pillow, place 1 drop on a cloth nearby, not directly on pillow. Apply chest oil 30 minutes before bed with slow circular massage and deep breathing. 6. Circulation and cold extremities. Rosemary oil dilates blood vessels and improves circulation. How to use. Mix 1 to 2 drops rosemary oil with 2 teaspoons carrier oil. Dampen a small cotton strip with the mixture. Wrap gently around wrists, behind knees, and ankles for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove cloth and lightly massage the remainder. Complete nightly method. Use pure rosemary essential oil, not fragrance or pre-diluted products. Nights 1 to 3, focus on your most urgent issue, hemorrhoids, memory, or pain. Nights 4 to 7, expand to multiple areas, joints, scalp, circulation points, chest, and feet. Always dilute. 1:4 for sensitive skin. 1:2 for scalp and joints. 1:3 for general use. Apply 30 minutes before bed. Use 2 to 3 drops per application. Store oil in a dark bottle away from heat and light. Continue 3 to 4 times per week for maintenance. Safety notes. Do a patch test before full use. 1 drop in 1 teaspoon carrier oil on inner wrist. Wait 24 hours. Avoid use if pregnant, epileptic, or with uncontrolled high blood pressure. Consult your doctor if on blood thinners. Long-term benefits. Better sleep by night 3. Improved memory by night 4. Less pain by night 5. Warmer extremities by night 7. Continued use may improve skin tone, fade age spots, enhance wound healing, boost energy, and lift mood. Conclusion. Rosemary oil contains over 20 healing compounds including camphor, cineol, and rosmarinic acid. Use consistently, it transforms aging bodies naturally. 7 nights changed everything for David, Margaret, Susan, Patricia, and James. Tonight could be your night.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.